Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the another video of SQL Interview Series. In this video, we're going to cover one more interesting question which is asked in all the interviews, also asked in CGI, Tech Mahindra and UBS. So let's cover these questions. So come to my screen. As you can see the screen, this is the questions. So the question is, write a SQL query which list items which are never get purchased from last 2 years. That means whenever interviewer will ask you this kind of questions, so the most important thing you should keep always in your mind that always divide your answers or your questions into the two parts, or try to understand what exactly the interviewer wants. So in our questions, as you can see, the most important thing we have, that is this never, means we need to find out the product which is never been ordered. Now the second condition is in last 2 years, correct? So in last 2 years, the product which is not been ordered, we need to find out that. Now, so what we need to find? The product, means this product table is important, okay? And from where we need to find? So order table will help us to find out the order related thing, correct? So these two tables are important for us. So let's try to write the query and divide the query. Very first things, let's select the product, means select let's suppose p dot id comma p dot name, means the p, I have created the alias of the product from product, okay? So this is means I have created or select the product id and name. Now we'll use the not exist over here. And why not exist? Because we need to check in the exist condition whether the particular order is present or not. Even though in this location here I can also use the in, but in will get fail in the conditions where will apply the null conditions, and if there is a null values in the table, the in values or in condition will get fail. So we'll use the not exist. Now where we need to find out? In the order table. So select I'll go with the one because this is more readable, and one means selecting something. Instead of using the one, you can also use uh, uh, hello over here, or you can also use the star over here. Both are similar, but for this condition I am using a one. Now I am selecting from order table, or I am creating an alias of order. Now we need to connect both the table. For connecting, we need where the product id, sorry, p dot id is equals to o dot this o dot product id, right? So o dot product id, this will select the product from both the thing. Now we need to apply the second condition. Second condition is the transaction date, means the transaction o dot transactions over here, this transaction date, correct? So this transaction date will come over here, is greater than and equals to, means that should be greater, right? So it's greater than the interval will count with using the current date. So the current date minus interval of 2 years, okay? So this is the answers of these questions, and let's try to understand this again. The query means very first what we have done, we have selected the product which we want from the product table, and we have applied a condition or a subquery inside the not exist. For example, this will not work till till we have found any product. So and we have selected the product from order table based on the following conditions. The condition is like we are selecting that the product is available in the order table, and also which is greater than the transaction date. For example, in our scenarios, there are the 100 product in one table, and suppose there is a one product which is been ordered in 2021 and currently we are in 2026, right? So that product is not ordered from past 2 years, so that product will come over here. You can solve this question using the second technique, that is using the left join. So everything will be similar. The only thing, like, instead of using the not exist, you will use the left join. I will share that query in the descriptions. Both the query will be mentioned in the description. I will give you a challenge to try yourself and see how you can apply the left join and achieve this output. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and please like the video. Thank you so much.